If you are not a big fan of tofu like me, this recipe is for you. This air fried marinated tofu has a chewy texture outside but soft and firm inside. Hello everyone, welcome to the messy kitchen. We are going to make marinated air fried tofu today with a soy ginger dipping sauce. This dipping sauce is really easy to make. You can make any other sauce to go with it. You can use hot sauce or even ketchup. But this sauce really makes this tofu delightful. I have 16 ounce or a pound of extra firm tofu. We need to drain it and pat it with a paper towel to remove any extra moisture. To make a tofu dish really good, it's a key to remove as much water as possible. You can also put some weight on it or wrap it in a paper towel or any kitchen towel and put some weight on it so it will drain out all the water. I'm just using the paper towel today. So now our tofu is fairly dry, so let's make a marinade for it. For the marinade, I have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon garlic powder. You can also use fresh crushed garlic instead of the powder. Let's mix it together and marinate this tofu for at least 20 minutes. You can also marinate it overnight in the refrigerator. It has been 30 minutes and our tofu is marinated now. So it is time to air fry it. I'm going to air fry it for 20 minutes on high or 400 Fahrenheit. Halfway through, we will have to flip it so it gets crust on both sides. In the meantime, let's make the dipping sauce. I have a hot green chili here which I am going to mince it very fine. You can use any other chili you like. If you are not fan of heat, you can obviously use any other green chili which is milder. Along with it, I am going to grate some ginger. This is frozen ginger, so it's grating very well. I always keep a piece or two in the freezer, so that way whenever I need the ginger, it's ready for me. To this, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and let's mix it well all together. Transfer it to a bowl and add few drops of sesame oil. Our air fryer has stopped and I can hear it beeping, so it's ready. So let's check the tofu. You can see it's nice golden brown, beautiful crust on top. Our chewy and golden brown delicious tofu is ready. We can now serve it with our dipping sauce we made earlier. You can also serve it with any hot sauce or even ketchup. I hope you like the recipe. Comment if you have any questions. Subscribe and stay connected for more recipes like this. Till then, goodbye.